International Associations of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities ILAA Voyage System. After more than 10 years of work and 4 diplomatic conferences, the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities ILA, effective August 22, 2024, officially changed its status from a non-governmental organization or NGO to an intergovernmental organization 160, based on a convention ratified or ACED by 34 states to date. The new organization is named the International Organization of Maritime Aids to Navigation. The new status representative of significant victory for multilateralism on ocean governance, making an important step toward enhancing worldwide safety of navigation, efficiency, and protection of the marine environment.
Established in 1957, IALA gathered together marine aids to navigation authorities, manufacturers, consultants, and scientific and training institutes from all parts of the world and offered them the opportunity to exchange and compare their experience. IALA encourages its members to work together in common efforts to marine aids to navigation worldwide and to ensure that movements of vessels are safe. This work ensures that Marines have marine aids navigation which will meet the needs both now and the future.